Alright, I guess we are live. Hello everyone, this is my first ever live trading session. As you know, it's the first Friday of September, so we are expecting some bombs here. Look at this, it's 7:30. So we'll only trade news today. It's gambling time. If you look at the analysis right now, price is moving within the range, but we will not be making any positions before these two things drop. So right now, what time is it? 6:53, and this drops at 7:30. So we'll pretty much monitor, talk to you guys, and see how the market reacts when price drops. Second thing we'll do is I make my positions on MT5. What does 15 minute is very close to the 200 SMA. Nice. I don't know if my mic is working nice. I got this new mic finally. Let me show it to you guys. Holy land. These are nice. I mean, that's that. If I use two mics, does it get any better? If I use two mics, does it get any better? I don't know. Whatever. If the audio is crap, deal with it. So we'll see how the market works. So I got DJ mic mini here that I tried and tested. Now I got Lark 2. Out of these two, I'll keep one. See which one works better. So far I feel like DJ mic mini is better build compared to Lark 2. I think spreads are getting wider already, if I'm not wrong. Alright, let's see. Let's drop it down to 0.02. We'll make sure our risk, we don't over leverage ourselves. Look at that, what just happened? And this is my only, second NFP. Everyone around me is surprised how I am waking up so early for this stuff. But when you truly want something, you'll do anything to get it right. So right now my overwhelming desire is to master this skill completely. Okay, we'll move this here. Okay. One thing I don't like about MT5, another thing which I find TradingView to be better at is how the candle moves. It skips. You saw that? It skips before it changes itself. In MT5, in TradingView, it's much more smoother. Much more smoother. Look at it. I sometimes question myself, since I got to know about all this NFP not even a month ago. Why don't they include farm? Why don't? Wouldn't it be better if they include the whole economy and find out how many people are employed altogether? Let's find that out. Our beloved ChatGPT. At 7, market opens. I mean my standard time. Central Standard Time. Alright, let's ask. Why do they do farm in non-farm payroll stat? Alright, let's see what ChatGPT has to say. In the meantime, see, this is another thing you'll have to focus on. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, let's move this here instead. And let's move this right here. Okay. So you woke up and you saw this part, this candle, right? And then you see this big bullish green candle with big wick, and it breaks the high, right? Like the wick breaks the high of the previous candle, and then you see another bullish candle. You can enter right here if you would like, but how many pips is that? Nope, no entry. That is not a good entry because the range is too tight. Too tight. Price is moving. Here comes resistance. So we'll see if it is able to break the resistance with only 4 seconds to go in the candle. Okay, yeah. Now we're about to see a big jump. Forming a lower wick. Hopefully the momentum pushes it, because I took a position. Look at this. What came to my mind? I can't tell. But trading this there is this one very cool thing. You can't rely on hope. You just can't. You know how when we were in grade 10, grade 9, we would hope that this question doesn't come in paperwork or whatever in finals. But trading you can't. Yeah, I'm out of the position already. Okay. Look at that. Entered, exited, lost. Three strikes, I'm out. I just broke one rule of no trading. I had a rule of only trading the news, not before, not after. Because it's gambling time and I just lost. Okay, that's fine. I don't know why I took buy. I thought momentum will break this zone and continue to push up. Yeah, pretty much. But I should have waited for this candle to make a lower wick, and once it started pushing up, that's when I should have entered. Okay, look at that. Clean candle. And it's only about 27 minutes, so Market is about to get crazy. We'll see if the numbers aren't, let's see old numbers. Okay. So it says whenever the number actual is greater than the forecast, that is good for currency, which means that will be good for USD. And if USD gets stronger, ideally speaking or technically speaking, gold should drop. The moment value of dollar gets stronger, or the market sentiment towards dollar gets stronger, the people start moving to dollar, right? And the price for gold will drop. And the opposite scenario would be if the actual number is lower than the forecast. So the actual number lower than the forecast, that tells us the economy isn't that in great of a shape. The employment has lowered down, which then boosts up the gold, as it is considered as a safe haven, right? I'm not speaking anything. Okay, the mic's working. And the only way I will know how the quality of the audio will be is when I upload this. Did I trade yesterday? Yes, I did. Did I made money? No. I got stopped out because of the VIX. You see this here. I entered somewhat here. Yes, thinking the price will continue to push up. And my stop loss was right here. Okay, I enter here. The next candle, you see big lower wick, big range or liquidity grab, and then kicks me out of my trade, and that's that. How do I find good trades? You wait for the setup to form, see if the candles are forming in the right pattern, and then you enter. When did I started trading? Nice question. I only started trading 1 month ago. And if you ask me how did I got into trading, it was my stubborn friend Chetan forced me to get into trading and learn a thing or two. He mostly trades option. He asked me to enter this realm of possibilities, and I did. And ever since, it's been an interesting journey. I've been learning since February now, so start of this year. Right now we are in September first week. Look at this. So it created a lower wick, but so far it has somewhat respected the previous candle low. In that scenario, it was just coming down to create a lower wick, and ideally it should start to push up if there is momentum. But like I said, it's just before news. We have no idea what can go down. Honestly speaking, we have no idea what will happen. See? So, two things here. One, say it can go green and then it will go all the way till this level. Let me mark this level for you guys. Oh boy, what did I do? Should I give my bias a second chance? Maybe. Again? Oh, look at this. USD JPY. Alright, back to what we do. We do gold here. Gold and only gold. If the price continues to push up, I'm expecting it to go all the way till here. I'm surprised to see JPY big drop, eh? USD JPY dropping, gold still doing its thing. And this can be our ideally next target because it has some clean range still there. Okay, let's look at 1 hour. How are things at 1 hour? As long as it respects this previous candle's low, it should continue to push up. There we go. Should I give my bias a second chance or wait till the news to drop? I'll wait till news to drop. I will wait till news to drop. It's 7:10. In 20 minutes the news will drop and then
we just started.
This is a video from my, wait, hold on.
And that's where the ballot box is, and there's like instructions how this works, right, for the customer. And then there's another page just to give them, extra instructions if they don't see on the ballot box. And then there's another sheet over there. How it's gonna work is it's very simple.
Our candle's doing upgrade, okay. I hate when the candles wick more than NFP data releases in hours. Not in hours, literally. Strong data, NFP. Signals labor resilience, hawkish federal. Let's move down to 15 minutes and see what's going on there. 15-minute looks like a lot of rejection to this level, eh? A lot more rejection. Hello. We'll see how the market reacts. But right now, I'm holding my horses. I feel like entering the trade, but this is the urge that I need to control. Okay, 15-minute candle is about to close. If 15-minute breaks the body of this candle, as you see, there is a better chance that price will continue to push down. And it is a decent range if you ask me. 50 pips. Yeah. So we'll monitor on 15 minutes for now and we'll see how this candle closes. Volumes are rising, which is good. I mean, it's NFP, so of course. All-time high 3578. Problem with 15-minute time frame I see right now is a lot of noise here, a lot of support, and price has resisted, took support here, shown some resistance to this level earlier. Okay, didn't close below. Let's look at 30-minute. Let's see how long price has been consolidating for in this range. I mean this upper range that you guys see here, okay? 2 hours. If it breaks above and then continues to push up with momentum or volume from the news. Alright, 15 minutes to go. This is the exciting thing. Yes, I have cricket bats in the background here. Let me get those for you. Did I get chance to play this season? No. You know what ideally I would like to do is build my mansion and then in the backyard have a cricket pitch with a machine that keeps bowling me and I keep batting. That's what will happen. So in the meantime, we'll focus on trading, we'll get our trading done and then continue with our day. After trading, I'll have to head to the store, see how things are there. Let's see how USD close, okay. If you ask me, I don't know how USD works. I have no fucking clue. Like if USD gets in more power, the JPY drops, USD rises. I don't know. Maybe we'll check that out eventually. Why are you trading when you have 1 month of experience? What kind of question is that? Why am I trading when I only have 1 month of experience? How else I'm gonna get experience? It's only through trading, my friend. So that's like telling a kid not to play cricket or not to play anything because you don't have experience. That's how he gets experience, dummy. Remember, we took entry here and got stopped out at this. So it was 1% of the account, which is $5. And throughout the NFP, I'm only gonna take, 0.02 lots, no more than that. I know this is the time I can make a lot more by a little over leveraging, but at this point, I don't know. Like I said, September first week, I'm gonna keep it easy. I haven't had the best, as you can see. Look at this. Not the best. Boom, boom, boom. Same on 15 minute. Yesterday I did set up things, so let's see how still not working. Alright, let's fix this. Properties. Console, no. Let's do this. Wait a minute. 15-minute candle closed. 5 minutes ago. Okay, it makes sense. This very well could be a fake out as well, I don't know. We'll see. The market is trying to grab some liquidity here and then push up when the news event comes. It hasn't been able to break this zone for quite a while, and at the same time, I would say this here. Alright, in 8 minutes NFP drops. Before that, let me get some water. I need to gain some muscle mass, I'm very skinny like this. Yeah, bigger guns would be nice. Bigger guns would be nice. Is it getting crazy already? No, not yet. Okay. Yeah, maybe next time I can live stream. Maybe. Maybe when NFP comes, I need to remove all my levels, because levels won't matter then. Yeah, this is market preparing for NFP. You don't see big move down or up before NFP usually. So market usually pretty much consolidates. I'm trying to fix the 75 triangle. You see? Okay. Just this is. Honeydew. Let's pick this. Yes, this is what I want. This is much better. Okay, you see, let me show you this. The price has already started acting. The spreads get wider. It's a shit show. You'll see spreads getting wider, and then there is possible slippage. I've only done 2 or 3 major news events, and I've had one slippage. The slippage is you put an order for 3549, let's say, and you put a buy order, but it gets slipped and gets filled at 355, 3555. That's slippage in simple language. Because anytime there is news event, there is a lot of volume, I believe. Week to week, this week I'm still red. So today is Friday, and we'll see if we can turn this day into. I'm gonna do quick jumps in and out of the trades. Alright, let's get ready. 4 minutes left. I don't know what to expect. Is it just me or everyone? Or maybe I'm new to this. My heartbeat goes up a little. 727. Maybe my mind knows this is one opportunity where there will be huge momentum in the market. Hopefully, if the numbers are greater or lower, if the numbers are equal to the past numbers or the forecasted, the market doesn't give that much of a shit. So, previous 144. What job numbers this Friday will it take for the Fed to cut by 50 base point system? Okay, base points. Okay, look at this timer going. 1 minute. T minus 1 minute. The moment these numbers drop, you'll see this moving crazy. You'll see this going either up, down, up. That's what I hate the most, up downs. If I put a buy stop, where is my buy stop? Buy stop. Buy stop above this candle. One buy stop, and if I have to sell, I'll sell myself. Should I put a sell stop? Let's put a sell stop for let's say 15 minutes. How does that look? Let's put a sell stop here. Okay, I guess we're ready. We'll see. The moment it gets activated, I'll cancel or based upon how much of a move I'm able to capture. 12 seconds. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The numbers are about to be dropped. Okay. What the hell? Okay, I just made $20 odd. All right, just gambled. Made $20 odd. Okay. So this is the craziness that happens. Okay. So that means the price just jumped from 55 to 65 and I exited. Okay, that's fine. I don't know, I can't trust this candle. It's going way too up. Oh, numbers are bad. Holy. Numbers are bad. I guess numbers are bad. I don't know. I'm not an economy expert, or I'm not economist. I don't know. Okay, 22k actual. So the gold will go up, like we talked earlier. The moment economy doesn't do good, people move towards gold. The price of gold goes up, and I don't know, the trust in US dollar goes lower, I guess, or because you need to understand one thing. Gold is one of the oldest commodity being traded in history. These stocks, these CFD contracts, options came much later in human history. Much later. It's what? These CFDs, options, I'm trying to think. What, not 50 years old? And I'm still giving it a big range, 50 years old. I'm guessing it's very new phenomena, these contracts, but I know they were used in 80s and 70s, I guess. But you get the idea. So the point is, as we know, it's very important to understand one thing, that the reason people move to gold is whenever the economy isn't doing great, is because it is safe haven for their money, because the value will go up. It doesn't pay any dividends or any yields on what you buy, but it keeps you protected from inflation, they say. So, and don't think about me, like I'm only trading 0.01, which is nothing. Maybe I should take another buy here. Okay, I'll only give it 5. Okay, go up, buddy. this is how you lose all your profits or gains. Should I have entered? No. Ideally not. But I did. Because I was just talking to you about don't look at my 0.01 and then I entered. Whatever, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Now the spread's doing fine, I guess. Look at this. So yeah, people move towards gold because it's a safe haven for their money and it acts against it's their hedge to the inflation, I guess. This last position and then I'll get out of the stream, but overall it was a nice stream. I enjoyed. I took buy stops got activated. I'm glad there was no slippage. No slippage is always nice. Come on, buddy. I've put what? Stop loss of $10. The reason I only give that much of a room is because my account is $500 and I only want to risk 1 or 2%. If I put $20 stop loss, that's like 4% of the account. I think I should just cut this position. Wait, buddy, wait. Let it do its thing. I think it's gonna hit my stop loss. Look at this. It's so close now. Push, buddy. Very bad entry. I could have just relaxed, and these are the entries I've wanted to discuss with you to avoid. I had my $20 profit right here, and then 5 minus earlier that we took, so all in all 14 positive. But now if this stop loss gets hit, and if this stop loss gets hit, it'll be only 5 positive, which means I'm still positive for the day, but 5 is not going to change my life. Not 20 was not going to change my life either. It's just I'm putting in the reps with smaller lot size, getting comfortable with everything, and gradually I will increase my lot size. You never know, someone jumps in, buys a lot more at this point, boom, volume. Come on, buddy. The hardest thing I've found so far is to watch your position go from positive, let's say plus 40 to minus 30. That hurts the most when you see that the price was working in your favor. It went up, gave you 20, 30, 40 pips. At that point I would say take half. Just like Raja Bank says, take half, take 90%, take 80%, something, take something. That way, okay. If it breaks above my entry point, I can cut my trade right now and boom. But at least I'll save my profits. But no. If I entered, wait. I'll bring this closer this time. Okay, let's go, buddy. Let's go. Yep. That's what I would like to see. Okay, I've dragged my stop loss to 7. I'll wait for this to jump. I do think I have muscle imbalance. I can see myself in the cameras here. I don't know. Do I care about it that much? Nah. Do I feel it? Yes. Okay, 40 odd cents in profit. Oh boy. Okay. If it goes above, let's say if it goes 20 pips higher, what I would like to do, let's say, this. There is no point of keeping my stop loss down when the price is above my entry point. $2. I just gotta continue with the day because I also have to hop out of this, get ready, head to the store. Let's have 5 more minutes. 15-minute candle is about to close, so this is 15-minute. You dummy. I can't break even right now. Do not break even when the price hasn't moved up because it can easily come down and get you out of the position. Put your stop loss on break even only when the price has moved decent amount from your entry point. So as you can see, $3 in profit. So this will take care of the loss that I had earlier before the news dropped. Maybe, okay, trail it. I love trailing because this gives me the idea of safeguarding my capital. I'll exit when it's $5. Yeah, this right here will be my target. Eventually I will get people on my YouTube channel watching my old live streams like these and questioning my knowledge. Let me tell you one thing, my friends. When you see this, let's say you see this, okay, stop getting affected. No, keep. We'll see, whatever happens now. Okay. Alright, one last thing. 3 years down the line, 4 years down the line, when you come back, see the stream, you'll be at a much better position, my friend. Mr. Raghujan, yes, you. So whosoever comes watches the stream 3 years from now in 2028, they'll question your knowledge. Let them question your knowledge. Okay, so 3 trades for the day, -5, 19, and then -2. All in all, positive day. Nice NFP, no whipsaw. Whipsaws are crazy. Maybe we'll talk about this in another video. But thank you so much, everyone, and I'll see you in another one. Peace.